Okay, folks, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to cover Spotbot. All right, there's a few things that would need some work that would need to be done on this one, but something additional other than the pump and replacing the hose. An additional service on this is replacing this control board right here. And this guy have some hiccups. Some of you have these. Would know what I'm talking about, and so I'm going to show you how to replace it if you have to do it on your own. I really like these little units here. This is very nifty setup here, where you can put this right on the area where the stain is and just let it do the scrubbing for you. Okay, and pretty cool, you know, if you just rest it there and you go do something else, right? Come back and the stain's gone, right? Real. But you can still use the other parts for upholstery cleaning and stuff like that. So anyway, if you're interested, stick around. We'll show you how to do that. And also hit the subscribe button, so you can get more. If you like the video, just, hit like on it and share it if you think someone else can use it. Okay. All right. So let's get started. Okay, guys, so that's it. That's how we put it together. I'm glad some of you got something out of it. You saw how simple it was, right? But really, it's just something that unless you know how simple it is, you wouldn't even try it. You know, you probably just toss it out. So save yourself some money if you have a problem with this board. Give it a shot. Now, if you notice, there's another board there, and if, let's say, replacing that board didn't work, then you would have to go ahead and just kind of replace this whole thing here. Okay, so, and really everything is really, if you look at it, it's just matching up your wires. All right, we'll do a different video on this one, but this is fine, okay? All right, but if you do need one on one of these, just let us know. Okay, folks, until next time, we'll see you later. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Come back for more.